If you are a solopreneur, you know how challenging it can be to manage every part of your business by yourself. From keeping track of leads to sending the emails, running campaign and staying organized. It can feel overwhelming. That's where GoHighLevel CRM comes in. It's designed to simplify your business process and help the solopreneurs to work smarter, not harder. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description below for free trials and the special deals on GoHighLevel. If you use the free trial from the official site, you can get the 14 days free trial, but using the link in the description, you will get the 30 days extended free trial. So check that out. Okay, so why do solopreneurs love the GoHighLevel? Instead of using separate tools for email marketing, SMS campaign, appointment scheduling, and client tracking, GoHighLevel combines everything in a single platform. This saves both money and time, which is critical when you are running your business solo. Another reason is the automation. You can create a workflow that automatically send the follow-ups, reminders, and messages to leads or the clients without you doing anything manually. For example, if someone shows interest in your service but doesn't book a call, GoHighLevel can automatically reach out and remind them. So this keeps your business running smoothly even when you are busy or focusing on other tasks. The CRM also provides fully visibility of your sales pipeline. You can see every lead, every interaction and every stage of your sales process in one visual dashboard. It makes it easy to prioritize the most important opportunities and make sure no leads fail through the crack. So for the solopreneurs, having this kind of clarity can be a game changer. GoHighLevel also makes the communication simple. You can send email, SMS message and even message through the social platform, all from the one inbox. That means you can stay connected with client quickly and efficiently, which builds the trust and help you to close more deals. Finally, the platform helps with scaling your business. Even as a one-person operation, you can create multiple campaigns, track the results and optimize the process. It's like having a full team behind you without actually hiring anyone. So for solopreneurs, this combination of automation, organization and control is exactly why GoHighLevel stands out. So if you want to see how GoHighLevel CRM can simplify your business and help you to grow, check the link in the description or the pinned comment for the free trial and experience it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.